Hi friends, let me show you my new Blackstone Grill cover. So these covers are great because they you really protect your Blackstone grill, or I suppose whichever grill, if you have another kind. You can protect your grill with this. They even come with gloves to manipulate it, so your hands will be safe, and with a cleaning cloth that you can use for cleaning your grill before putting this cover. So these are great. Really, if you have your grill, that's a big investment. These kind of covers will help you take care of it. So it's a really recommending, and you could even cut it to the size you need it. It has some pre-marked sizes for different grill sizes. So it's great. Thank you.